Today, we will continue our journey. We will combine multi-smart money concepts together and use price action to have trades. Of course, we'll be using our superior trading view indicator also. A great education day. If you are good to go, let's start now. Today, let us discuss these three entry models which I use the most and how to find great entry locations with momentum strategy. Do not worry, I will go into extreme detail in step-by-step action. So, the Ben coin was one of the top gainer coins of the day and it had a highly strong momentum. And right in this location, you can notice price dips into this multi-level imbalance location, tapping the 30 and 45-minute imbalances and 1 and 2 hour imbalances as well. This is one of the ways of finding entry zones extremely quickly. This method will work on any asset like Forex, stocks, gold, as long as they have a rally or crash on that specific day. Now let me drop to the 5-minute charts and talk about low time frame entry models. Okay, first of all, this is the exact moment of 4 different imbalances being tapped from the higher time frames we just observed. This is how you find your entry zone and start seeking trade entries. Notice what really happens here. Price sweeps liquidity and further taps into these inner imbalances on the left. At this moment, we know that this price has filled up. We have the fill to move upwards basically. And right at this point, you can make a confirmationless entry only based on the fill. But be really careful. In order to use this entry model, you will need a large stop loss. Because the price can drop further, your stop should be large enough to digest for extra movements. Next way of entry is seeing a price switch between buyers and sellers and the trend itself. Best way to do this is using imbalances. Notice right here a 5-minute bearish imbalance fails. And the momentum imbalance start to appear in the bullish side. This is a kind of pre-confirmation actually without a full structure shift. This could be another style of entry. My last model is my most common model with full confirmation using the market structure break and the imbalances. As you can see, price breaks upwards and dips back into this BPR and imbalance location. And this is actually the overall PDH, previous day high amplifier location as well from the masterclass, making the area stronger for the entry. I hope things are clear enough for you at the moment. Okay, let me make a very clear recap for you, so things will be much better to understand. First, you find yourself an entry zone in the higher time frames, like multi-time frame imbalances, or maybe order block demands, or optimal trade entry, or big liquidity sweeps. It doesn't matter. And now you are about to make an entry. You notice the inner liquidity sweep with imbalance tap. Now we know that this price is filled up here. I may jump to trade here with a very large stop loss or even building a yo-yo based cost average setup. Remember, this is the riskier way to trade because we have no confirmation at all here. Large stop loss or cost averaging is essential here. Next is kind of a pre-confirmation, which I call the price switch. What you are waiting for here is a change in imbalances. A failure of, for example, a bearish imbalance, followed by a working bullish momentum imbalance. This at least gives me some sort of confirmation here. And the last model is the model that you all know, waiting for a full shift in the structure based on the market structure. This is the confirmation type of entry. I think this is the least risky way to trade, but it takes a lot of time to wait for this. So not bad, we covered my most favorite and best strategies and entry models in a single video. Okay friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please take care for now and have an awesome day. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you